I'll tell you what's going on, but first, please like and subscribe to Purple Diary for a chance to join our secret club. My twin brother Enzo and I were raised by parents who are the most interesting people I know. They are undercover agents who work for the... Wait, that's supposed to be top secret. Anyway, Mom and Dad didn't trust anyone to look after us, so a lot of times we found ourselves hidden under the table or behind a curtain during their top secret meetings. But I broke the rules and popped out from time to time.
Alam mo ba na ang mundo natin ay puno ng kakaibang facts na siguradong magpapahanga? Una, ang pinakamataas na bundok sa mundo ay ang Mount Everest, na may taas na halos 8,800 at 49 na metro. Pero ang pinakamalalim na bahagi ng karagatan ay ang Mariana Trench, na abot sa 11,034 na metro, mas malalim pa to kaysa sa taas ng Everest. Alam mo bang kada